Most beginners open GoHighLevel and try to set up everything at once. That usually leads to overwhelm and slow progress. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to set up first so you can start capturing leads fast without getting lost in the platform. The mistake most people make with GoHighLevel is treating it like they need to build the entire system on day one. You do not need every workflow, every funnel, and every feature set up before you can get results. What you need first is a simple lead flow that helps people find you, opt in, and move to the next step. First, set up the core account essentials. Make sure your business info is correct, connect your domain if needed, and check the basic settings that affect how leads will come in and where they will go. This step is not exciting, but it gives the rest of your lead system a solid foundation so nothing breaks once traffic starts coming in. Next, build one simple lead capture page. Do not try to create a full funnel with multiple steps right away. Just make one clear page with one offer, one message, and one action so visitors know exactly what to do when they land on it. Now, add a form or survey so you can actually collect lead details. Keep it simple and only ask for the information you need to qualify or follow up. The easier it is to fill out, the more likely people are to complete it. After that, set up the next step for the lead. For most beginners, that means adding a calendar or a clear call to action after the form submission. Once someone shows interest, you want to guide them quickly into a booked call, a consultation, or whatever action moves them closer to becoming a customer. Next, create a basic pipeline so you can track where every lead is in the process. You do not need a complicated setup here. Just use a few clear stages like new lead, contacted, booked, and closed so you can stay organized and quickly see where follow-up is needed. Then turn on one or two simple automations. This could be an instant text message, a follow-up email, or a missed call text back. The goal is to make sure every new lead gets a fast response, because speed usually makes a big difference in whether that lead turns into a conversation. Here's what that looks like in a simple real setup. Someone clicks your ad or visits your page, lands on your lead capture page, fills out the form, and then books a call through your calendar. Their info goes into your pipeline, and GoHighLevel sends an automatic follow-up right away so the lead does not go cold. The key with GoHighLevel is not setting up everything first. It is setting up the few things that help you capture, track, and follow up with leads fast. If you want to learn more on how to use GoHighLevel and other digital tools to grow your business, make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.